Last reading. Start. Or any other appropriate writ, order, or direction restraining the respondent state authorities from nominating any directors, appointing any directors in the board of directors of District Central Cooperative Bank Limited, pending final hearing and disposal of the petition. The Honorable Court be pleased to restrain the respondent, pending final hearing and disposal of the petition. The Honorable Court be pleased to restrain any nominated director appointed by the state authorities to vote at the elections of office bearers. The Honorable Court may be pleased to grant such other and further relief as deemed just and proper by this Honorable Court. In the interest of justice, the custodian proceeded to issue the election schedule for the office bearers. In the meantime, the petitioners moved a civil application praying for interim relief. The learned single judge, by order dated 28/12/2015, passed a detailed order permitting the elections to be held as scheduled. However, if a government nominee is appointed as stated by the learned additional advocate general, his vote shall be kept in a separate sealed cover. It further provided that the result of the elections would not be declared till further orders. Learned single judge also recorded that although the bylaws of the society provided for policy voting by raising finger, but since the vote of the nominee of the government was to be kept in a sealed cover, with the consent of the counsels for the parties, it was directed that as a special case, the voting shall be by ballot paper. The operative portion as contained in paragraph 10 of the order dated 28/12/2015 is reproduced below. The election process, which is scheduled for tomorrow, that is 29/12/2015, is not stayed. As stated by learned additional advocate general, that the government is likely to appoint a nominee as by now the subscription to the share capital of the society must have been deposited with the bank, and therefore the nominee that would be appointed by the state government cannot be restrained from casting his vote in the meeting at this stage. Therefore, the process of election shall take place tomorrow, but the vote cast by the nominee of the state government shall be kept in a separate sealed cover, and the result of the election shall not be declared until further orders that may be passed in the writ petition. The bylaws of the society provide for policy voting raising finger. Since by this order it is directed that the vote of the nominee of the government shall kept in sealed cover by consent of the counsel for both the sides, it is directed that the voting shall by ballot paper as a special case limited for the election schedule on 29/12/2015 only as a departure from the provisions of the bylaws. This order is passed without prejudice to the contention of both these sides. The state government extended financial benefit as share capital to the bank and further appointed as its nominee member to the committee of the bank as per the schedule declared and in consonance with the interim order dated 28/12/2015. The election of office bearers of the committee was held on 29/12/2015 by casting votes through ballot paper. The vote of the state government nominee was kept separately and sealed, and the rest of the votes were kept together and sealed. The result of the election was not declared. The same set of 9 elected members, directors who had preferred, filed another writ petition registered as praying for quashing of the appointment of 2 professional members appointed by the custodian as also the appointment of the government nominee. It was also prayed that the elections of office bearers held on 29/12/2015 be quashed. The reliefs as claimed in the said petition are reproduced below. The Honorable Court be pleased to issue a writ of certiorari or writ in the nature of certiorari or any other appropriate writ, order or direction, quashing and setting aside the order dated 26/11/2015 annexed at Annexure N to this petition, passed by the custodian of District Central Cooperative Bank Limited. The Honorable Court be pleased to issue a writ of certiorari or writ in the nature of certiorari or any other appropriate writ, direction or order quashing and setting aside the order passed by the state authorities nominating a director, that is respondent number 8 herein under section 80 in the board of directors of District Central Cooperative Bank Limited. The Honorable Court be pleased to issue a writ of certiorari or writ in the nature of certiorari or any other writ, order or direction quashing and setting aside the elections of chairman and vice chairman of District Central Cooperative Bank Limited held on 29/12/2015 and be pleased to direct that fresh elections of chairman and vice chairman be held from amongst the 17 directors, that is 15 elected directors, representative of the registrar and representative of the Gujarat State Cooperative Bank, but excluding the 3 nominated and co-opted directors within a stipulated time. Pending here and final disposal of the petition, the Honorable Court may be pleased to stay the execution, operation and implementation of order dated 26/11/2015 Annexure and Annexure N to this petition, passed by the custodian co-opting 2 professional directors, that is the respondent number 6 and 7 in the board of directors of District Central Cooperative Bank Limited. Pending hearing and final disposal of the petition, the Honorable Court may be pleased to stay the execution, operation and implementation of order passed under section 80 by the state authorities nominating 1 director in the board of directors of District Central Cooperative Bank Limited, pending hearing and final disposal of the petition. Stop.